rock hounds, do you have dull rocks like this one? No problem. Let's shine them up quick and easy with baby oil. Rock on, polish on, shine on. Okay, I'm not kidding when I say this is fast and easy. By the way, you're gonna hear my wind chimes and neighbors around me, so just it is what it is. So here's my rock, and here is baby oil, and I have a little cloth here to buff it out, and a Q-tip. Open this up, get a little bit on there, maybe like that. And there you go. Oh my gosh, the color's coming out already. Look at the difference in the color. Oh my goodness. Wow. Definitely enhanced, don't you think? A nice shine to it. And then you just buff it out a little bit with a cloth or a towel. I'm just keeping this on half for right now so you can see the difference. See how dull that is? Let's shine that up too. Let's shine up the whole thing. See how quick and easy that is to polish? It's more like a shine. Shine your rocks. Without a rock tumbler, no grit, no space needed for a tumbler. Look at this gorgeous thing. Oh my goodness. Really, wow. Really brings out all those colors. And you keep the character of the rock, if you don't mind, all of those cracks and crevices. This one might not even tumble well because it's got all these different types of minerals in them. Sometimes when rocks have that darker mineral in there, like this, it tends to sit lower. I don't see it so much in this one, but if you're going to tumble it, tumbling will then show more of a difference in the minerals. Have different heights, just like it's doing right here. Yeah, pretty cool. So there you go. But wait, there's more. You can also do this. Where did they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? You can also do this with rocks you've already tumbled. Yes, see? These are not perfect, are they? You can see that it's kind of dull, and I still have some on my hands, so let's do it like this. You put baby oil on there, and look at that. Your tumbled rock. Ah! Slippery business. Yeah, this isn't the best technique, but all right, I'm getting a little sloppy here, but you get the idea. You can temporarily polish these for more shine, and then you don't see the difference, any imperfections when you tumbled it. So yeah, you just want to wipe off the excess until you've got it the way you want it. Very quick, easy DIY rock shining, enhancing technique. Okay, here are all of the methods that I have tried for adding a shine or a polish to rocks. The DIY method instead of using a rock tumbler. So if you don't have a rock tumbler, no problem. However, here's the rock tumbler finish. Absolutely beautiful, one of my favorite rocks. Here is the Rust-Oleum method. I highly recommend this. It's really awesome. Look at that. Didn't lose any character in the rock and it's still got a shine. We got the nail polish method. Some of you have commented that you like to use this as well, so that's pretty cool. And then we have mineral oil. This one's holding up pretty well. It's been, I don't know, 2 or 3 months, I think, since I did this. And is definitely still enhanced from what it was before. Pam cooking spray, or just cooking spray. I noticed this one's starting to dry out just a little bit here and there, but it's definitely got enhanced colors. You could hardly tell the difference between the colors when I first did this. Before I did it, I should say. And the baby oil that I just did. There you go. Oh my goodness. Definitely enhanced. Look at that. Beautiful. El Cheapo ways to do this with household items. How cool is that? I'll leave links to each of these videos that I've done, and you can make up your mind which one you want to do, which supplies you have around your house. So let me know which one you like. Thank you. Rock on. Bye.